In today's video, I'll show you how to move your Dropbox files to an external hard drive, step by step in a simple and safe way. This is useful if your computer storage is getting full or you want to keep a local backup of your Dropbox data. Let's get started. First, connect your external hard drive to your computer. Make sure it shows up properly and you can open it. Now, open Dropbox on your computer. If you're using Dropbox with sync enabled, your files are stored in a local Dropbox folder. On Windows, open File Explorer and go to This PC, then open the Dropbox folder. On Mac, open Finder and select Dropbox from the sidebar. Before moving anything, make sure Dropbox has fully synced. Look at the Dropbox icon in the system tray or menu bar and confirm it says Up to Date. Now, decide what you want to move. You can move the entire Dropbox folder or only specific folders inside it. If you want to move everything, right-click the Dropbox folder. If you only want certain files, select those folders instead. Next, click Copy. Now, open your external hard drive. Create a new folder if you want, and name it something like Dropbox Backup. Right-click inside the folder and choose Paste. Wait for the transfer to finish. This may take time depending on how large your Dropbox data is. Important note: this method copies your Dropbox files to the external drive. Your Dropbox account and Cloud Sync will continue working normally. If you want to move the Dropbox folder completely and stop syncing from your main drive, follow these extra steps. Open the Dropbox app. Click your profile picture, then go to Settings. Select the Sync tab. Now click Move next to Dropbox Folder Location. Choose your external hard drive, then select a folder and confirm. Dropbox will now move the folder and sync directly from the external drive. Make sure the external drive stays connected whenever Dropbox is running. If it's disconnected, Dropbox may pause syncing or show errors. Once everything is finished, open a few files from the external drive to confirm they work correctly. And that's how you move Dropbox files to an external hard drive safely and correctly. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful storage and cloud tutorials.